It's quite used. I thought that I will change the packing material. I thought that I should make a short video on explaining what do you have to do and what do you have to have and yada 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 yada. So, of course, you have to have your muffler, some sort of a riveting gun, a pack of rivets. You need some packing material and some high temp silicone to seal up the end caps, because some of them have O-rings, some of them don't. So yeah, let's get started. First we will need to drill out the original rivets. You can do that by using either a hand drill or a drill press like I have here, or actually whatever suits you best. I'm using a 4mm drill bit for these ones, but your mileage may vary. Oh, yeah, my drill bit is shot. It's done. Let's try again. By now you should clearly see that my drill bits are sharp. Never hit your drill bits, kids.
One eternity later.
How a old exhaust material looks like inside. You can see it's all burned up, and it has been changed. I can see there's some silicone all over here. That's why it was so tight. But yeah, this is no good. We have to get all of this out and put some new material in. There we are, drilling out all the rivets and taking out the small packing material. We have the rivet section, the actual housing, and at the bottom we have the perforated tube part with one end and then the other end of the exhaust. Now we need to clean up these parts so they are clean from inside and outside, and clean mating surfaces for the silicone. And afterwards we can start putting it back together. And these things and finally got the right rivets, and also clear coated my carbon housing. It's time for the gnarliest task, which is putting on the new packing material, which is one nasty ass material. It contains glass fiber, and that shit really makes your hand itchy. So wear gloves and try to not make a mess, and yeah, we'll see how it goes for me.